Oh my god, a video from a dead stacking YouTube channel. Yes, I actually have a package. I might have had one a couple weeks ago when gold went down, but I hesitated. So I got some some eBuck offers. So sure, why not? Let me get it before all the stimulus devalues the dollar. So let me go ahead and open this bad boy up. It arrived this morning, which kind of shocked me because it looked like it was going to take until next week to get over here from California. I swear this came over quicker than Amazon packages. Well, I guess that's nothing really to brag about considering those goofballs don't know how to deliver a package correctly. So put the packing slip on the side. Boom, throw it over there. Got some bubble wrap. This will kill some of my old time. Throw that over there. Put that there. And let me show you all what I got here. I did go to Liberty Coin. These guys are just awesome with the EBUCK deals. So I got some of these already. So the first one is Lady Liberty. I think I got one of these in a slab. So that's the first one. And the second one is, I don't know if I have this one. I don't think I do. This one here. Each one of these are 0.242, give or take, grams of 24.2 something. I think that's what it is. You know, I ought to look at the packing slip. I should be smart about this, right? Give me a sec. 0.24187. Okay. So each one is just under half an ounce. I applied EBUCKS and credit card points, and well, they come up, not too bad. I mean, it would be like a cash price with the, the little shell games. So we got that one. Let me put that one there. I'll do an overhead. Yay, amateur. Yeah. I pushed the stupid button on the stupid phone with my stupid hand, which killed the video. Hooray for clumsy. Yeah, there we go. We have about half an ounce there to add to the stack. I say get yourself a little in these upcoming months. Who knows what the hell's going to happen to the value of the dollar? Too many irresponsible people that don't know how to save money, and now they're, poor me, boo-hoo, save me. Well, that's my opinion. I'm sure there's legitimate cases, but everyone that comes up, it's always some single mom. And I'm not sorry. Screw that. Where's dad? Where's her ex-husband? Where's her baby daddy? Where's her mom? Where's her dad? In most of those cases, no, it's just somebody who doesn't want to listen to somebody. And they always get the bailouts from the government. Well, the government's tapped. Sorry. Get back in the breadline. Merry Christmas, right? That's my rant. I'm going to stop because I know that probably turned off probably 2 out of 5 of you. I'll just say, belated Christmas wishes, Happy New Year, Happy January 6th, which I think is going to be a really fun day. And if I get something else, then I will resuscitate the channel. Bye.